For a long time, I wanted there to be a there. And I wanted to get there, and then I'd be done. I'd be there. And instead, my path has been of discovering that there's no there. We just keep moving in whatever direction we move. We can move forward. We can move forward holding back. We can move forward with a willingness to expand, to learn, to grow. And when we do it that way, then we're going to encounter doubt and fear. It's a natural part. So then we need tools and faith. So if you come to the workshop on Monday, June 10th, we'll be looking at tools and practicing them and seeing if we can build a little faith as well. Hope to see you there.